Wa Islam.
My question to beloved Hazur is it advisable to do homeopathy doctor as a professional, as there are very few homeopathic doctors in Mauritius?
Yes, quite as well. If you have the facilities, do you have any homeopathic college here in Mauritius which can train you as homeopathic doctor? No. Then you will have to go outside, to either to Germany or France, to get homeopathic medicine education, right? And when you get your education in homeopathic from France or Germany, or even in UK, there are some. But France is also advanced, and it is easy for you to go to France. So then open a homeopathic clinic in Mauritius. That will be good for you. It's a good idea, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right.